Bohemia 612, behind business jet, line up behind runway 07 center.
Behind business jet, line up behind 07 center, Bohemia 612.
Auto thrust engaged, check thrust.
Thrust set. Base speed's alive.
Checked.
80 knots.
Check.
V1. Rotate. Positive 8.
And gear up.
Gear up.
Departure 123.8.
Departure's 1238.
Okay.
Speaker, they're warning.
Go ahead. Flight level change and manuals.
Level change. Manual speed.
Departures, good afternoon.
It's past 2,200 climbs 5,000. Lower at 1 Tango.
Departure identified, climb via SID to 541 6 roll.